Welcome back to Famigo Dashcam, where every Dashcam moment keeps your eyes wide open. Stay sharp, hit subscribe, and let's dive in.
When speed meets panic, control is the first thing to disappear. Today's red light seemed to be treated more like a polite greeting than a warning. That flying ice looked like a winter version of dodgeball. No one signed up for. Every dent comes from a bad road. Sometimes it's just rushing when you. Reckless drivers turning intersections into their own action set again. Patience at an intersection costs nothing, but rushing can cost everything. A single moment of lost control can change the whole story on the road. Have you ever seen something like this before? Share your thoughts in the comments.
Oh my God, I hope you're...
Speed feels exciting until reality steps in to remind you who's in charge. Fatigue never asks for permission before taking over the wheel. Dashcam car crashes keep reminding us that patience never goes out of style.
You guys okay? Do you move forward? We should get out of we should call.
That's one way to learn the importance of checking your mirrors. A tiny tap, but it still felt like rush hour bumper cars. It's as if the divider just invited the car into its own private parking spot. That move had more surprise than a jump scare in a Halloween movie. Well, that's one way to test the durability of modern bumpers. Somewhere out there, those idiots in cars keep giving us free entertainment. That scene felt straight out of a Fast and Furious movie, minus the happy ending. Gravity just gave another daredevil a hard lesson. Stick around and hit subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. At night, distance isn't just space, it's safety. Night driving isn't about speed, it's about seeing before it's too late. The road just turned into an unplanned fast-forward sequence. Violence never fixes what patience can prevent. Sometimes, a quick tire check is all it takes to stay in control.
Hey, what you doing? Hi,
Felt like a racing scene straight out of a movie.
Yes.
Except there's no director to yell cut. Have you ever witnessed a reckless moment like this in real life?
That's what you get. That's what you get.
Fuck! Shit, that was close.
Looked like someone was ice skating out there, just missing the background music.
Excellent, thank you, brakes.
That lane change looked like a final lap sprint at a NASCAR race. Paying attention to signs is cheaper than repairing what they warn you about. Turns out the windshield just had its own durability test. Felt like an action movie premiering right in the middle of the intersection.
Thank you for watching Famigo Dashcam, where every heart-stopping moment reminds us to stay focused behind the wheel. Drive safe, subscribe, leave a comment, and share this video to spread the message.